Today let's talk about antiplatelet therapy after coronary artery bypass surgery, 5-year follow-up of randomized different antiplatelet therapy strategy after coronary artery bypass grafting trial. To assess the effect of different antiplatelet strategies on clinical outcomes after coronary artery bypass grafting. Coming to the design, 5-year follow-up of randomized different antiplatelet therapy strategy after coronary artery bypass grafting trial. In settings there were 6 tertiary hospitals in China, enrollment between July 2014 and November 2015, completion of 5-year follow-up from August 2019 to June 2021. 500 patients aged 18 to 80 years, including 91 women, who had elective coronary artery bypass grafting surgery and completed the different antiplatelet therapy strategy after coronary artery bypass grafting trial. Let's talk about interventions. Patients were randomized into ticagrelor 90 mg twice daily plus aspirin 100 mg once daily, ticagrelor monotherapy 90 mg twice daily, or aspirin monotherapy 100 mg once daily, for 1 year after surgery. After the first year, antiplatelet therapy was prescribed according to standard of care by treating physicians. The primary outcome was major adverse cardiovascular events, a composite of all-cause death, myocardial infarction, stroke, and coronary revascularization, analyzed using the intention to treat principle. Time to event analysis was used to compare the risk between treatment groups. Multiple post hoc sensitivity analyses examined the robustness of the findings. Coming to results, follow-up at 5 years for major adverse cardiovascular events was completed for 477 of 500 patients. 148 patients had major adverse cardiovascular events, including 39 in the dual antiplatelet therapy group, 54 in the ticagrelor monotherapy group, and 55 in the aspirin monotherapy group. Risk of major adverse cardiovascular events at 5 years was significantly lower with dual antiplatelet therapy versus aspirin and versus ticagrelor monotherapy. Results were consistent in all sensitivity analyses. In conclusion, treatment with ticagrelor dual antiplatelet therapy for 1 year after surgery reduced the risk of major adverse cardiovascular events at 5 years after coronary artery bypass grafting compared with aspirin monotherapy or ticagrelor monotherapy.